Hello everyone, and today we have an easy one for you. We're going to go ahead and clean our microfiber towels, and this includes new and dirty ones. So I'm going to go ahead and take some brand new ones out of the packet, and we're going to go through the whole process. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and rip off the tags on every single microfiber cloth. The one thing you don't want to do is leave these tags on and forget all about them, because you're going to end up scratching your vehicle anytime you use them for washing or drying. And you also do not want to use laundry detergent like you're washing normal clothes, and this also goes for fabric softener as well. And we'll go ahead and show you why. So I have a microfiber cloth that I threw in with my regular clothes. That includes laundry detergent, fabric softener, and cold water. And as I open up the door just to get a better angle, you can go ahead and see little pieces of lint. This is like almost a little microfiber lint. Look at that. I'm actually making piles of it with my finger. And I'll try to keep the camera focused in as best I can. There we go. And look at that. That's all over the car anytime I use this microfiber cloth. And that's pretty much why we have a different process for cleaning these towels. So instead of laundry detergent, we're going to go ahead and use some dish soap. So let me go ahead and start by getting some water in the washer. And we'll start by changing the temperature all the way to hot, right there. And then I'll go ahead and make my way to the right. And then for the load size, we'll go ahead and start with light and then hit start. And I'll go ahead and lift my lid back up, and we're going to go ahead and add our dish soap. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon. We're just going to go ahead and eyeball it. Doesn't have to be exact. So that should be enough right there. And we'll go ahead and let that go through its whole cycle. And now for the drying process, the other item we're going to omit is dryer sheets. We won't need those at all. And we'll go ahead and come over here and set our timer just for a few minutes. These won't take long to dry at all. And you want to go ahead and set the drying temperature to low to medium heat. And we'll go ahead and start that and wait it out. So now that we went through the whole process, let's go ahead and test it out. I went ahead and sprayed the window down with some cleaner, and I'm going to go ahead and dry it off with these clean microfiber towels. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a few passes because I don't want any streaks left behind. And that looks pretty good. Let me go ahead and open the door. That way we can get a better vantage point. Now I'm going to use my finger to help focus in the camera, so bear with me. And come on. There we go. And I don't see any lint left behind. That's a good sign. There's a few water spots. We'll address that later. But overall, these came out really clean. I love how this turned out. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.